Hey guys, how you doing? I should have recorded before I even started, but this is the following day from yesterday's post, or Saturday's post, really. Right now I'm doing the pedals, so obviously I removed the steering column. It's pretty easy, honestly. First I would say is just unscrew and disconnect the shifter link, and then disconnect the cables, and then once you do that, now this, you want to make sure your steering wheel is completely straight, wheels are completely straight, and you at least mark the bottom with a dark Sharpie or a paint marker, you know, something you can see. And then after you mark it, you unscrew the bolt. It's a 15 on the nut and then a 13 on the bolt. Then once you remove that, all the nuts up here are 13s. Pull all that off. There is a little metal clip for the brake pedal right there. This is pretty easy to take off, just don't lose it or break it. And then right now, you got the bolts back here. It's 15. Up here is a 15, 15, and a 15. You got two more bolts, and then I'm gonna take this off. So put this phone down real quick. See if I can try to stand it up or something. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Oops. All right. That should be good enough. And obviously when you're grabbing all the bolts and nuts and bolts, make sure that you guys keep everything together and don't, you know, start putting them all mixed up or scattered everywhere. At least, you know, you can keep them separately, but keep them with the same, you know, same bolts. Oh no, wait. All right. So I got all the 4 bolts removed. Now you can get these ones up here. There's 4 of them, the 15s. Right there. Let's see, try to focus better. There we go. There's 2 right there. There's 2 15s, and then there's 2 other ones right there. So I'm gonna remove that real quick. We'll start with the back ones first. Everything's off. I'm removing this shifter cable in about a few minutes. Sorry. All right, so everything's removed. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. The clutch pedal. If you guys are having any questions, you can see right now that they are, you know, same lined up holes. There's nothing different other than a third pedal. Everything else the exact same. Yep, about the exact same. So install this right now. Oh shit, you know what, before I do that, let's remove, push back this guy real quick so I can push this guy out. See? Alrighty. So I'm gonna cut the video off right now. I'm gonna do all this right here because I'm gonna need 2 hands, and I'll be back.